I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. I got a little mark right there on this yoke. I got a mark right here on the nut. Now that was originally lined up here, and I counted with my fingernail 4 threads back that I could get my finger into, just to make sure I could get this thing back on, lined up right, tighten down the approximately the same amount, just so I'm not putting anything in a bind in there. Let's see if I can get it pulled off. I may have more than a pinion seal that needs to be replaced. Hang on a second. So I got a wheel puller here with a couple of different ways to pull a pulley. But you know what? We're not going to need that, because that's what happens. Yeah, look at that. Some grease and grime and some kind of string. Let's see what we got going here. Yeah, I should have known that. Hold on. Alright, I certainly got the new seal, but I'm not real sure what's going on here. That's probably a bearing out. I'm going to take these off, see what I got inside. So I got that pinion gear out, and it's probably hard to tell with this. I think everything in there looks pretty good. No metal shavings, there's no chunks. That bearing right there, if the others are out, I think it's okay actually. There is a little bit of play back and forth, but to be honest with you, I'm not sure if that's not just going to be like that. Anyway, I'll show you the rest of our stuff over here. Sorry. Pinion gear, both the bearings. I think these bearings, I think they're okay. There's just a little bit of back and forth in between 3 sets of them doing that. I think probably where that movement's coming from. Got all that cleaned up pretty nicely. Our seal, man, I had to just about destroy that thing to get it out. It was very much in there. And as a result, I'm not real sure where it was leaking, but it was leaking. So I'm off work on Wednesday. I think I'll keep working on this. Here's the rest of it up here. I'm going to keep working on that and get it put back together. Get that pinion seal put in. Simply reinstall it and see if it still leaks. I'll put some more oil back in it. Some 90 weight or whatever it calls for. But just wanted to show you that pinion gear real quickly. Pinion gear looks good. I don't see any real wear right here. You can tell it's a little bit different color, but there's no groove or wear. They're all solid. I'm pleased with that. That looks to be in real good shape. Okay, see you next time.